If you drive a car, you know the ritual. You go to a shop, you pay your money, and before you leave, a mechanic puts a small, clear sticker in the top corner of your windshield. It has a date and a mileage number on it. Usually, the math works out to exactly 3,000 miles from today. That sticker has become the golden rule of car maintenance. We follow it blindly. But here is the truth. For 99% of modern drivers, that sticker is completely wrong. We are stuck in a time loop. The 3,000-mile rule dates back to the 1970s. Back then, it was absolutely necessary. Engines were built with much looser tolerances, meaning parts didn't fit together as perfectly as they do today. More importantly, the oil itself was different. It was crude mineral oil. When it got hot, it thinned out. When it got cold, it turned into sludge. If you drove a 1974 Chevy and didn't change the oil every 3,000 miles, the engine would literally clog up with tar and die. But you aren't driving a 1974 Chevy. You are likely driving a modern machine built with laser precision. And more importantly, you are likely using synthetic oil. Synthetic oil is a chemical miracle. Unlike old oil, which is just refined dead dinosaurs, synthetic oil is engineered molecule by molecule in a lab. It resists heat better, it flows better in the cold, and it maintains its structure for a very long time. So, if the technology has improved so much, why does the guy at the shop still tell you 3,000 miles? Part of it is just habit. But the other part is business. Service centers operate on volume. If they can convince you to visit 4 times a year instead of once, they quadruple their traffic. It is an easy upsell. They often justify this by using the severe driving loophole. If you look at your owner's manual, there are usually 2 schedules: normal and severe. Normal might be every 10,000 miles. Severe might be every 5,000. The shop will tell you that because you drive in traffic or take short trips, you are a severe driver. They use this technicality to push you back toward the 3,000-mile habit. But even under severe conditions, most modern manufacturers still recommend far more than 3,000 miles. Another major change that people ignore is the oil life monitor on your dashboard. In older cars, the maintenance-required light was just a dumb timer. It turned on every 5,000 miles no matter how you drove. But in modern cars, especially Fords, GMs, and Hondas, that system is a smart algorithm. It tracks engine temperature, idle time, speed, and trip duration. It calculates exactly how degraded your oil is based on how you actually drive. If that computer says you have 20% oil life left, you have 20% left. You don't need to second-guess the computer that is monitoring the engine thousands of times per second. Changing your oil too early is not cheap insurance. It is just waste. It costs you money, and it generates millions of gallons of waste oil that have to be disposed of every year. So what should you do? First, peel the sticker off your windshield. It is an advertisement, not a service requirement. Second, open your glove box. Find the maintenance schedule in your owner's manual. If you drive a Toyota, it probably says 10,000 miles. If you drive a BMW, it might say 15,000. Trust the engineers who built the engine over the person trying to sell you a service. Your car is smarter than you think, and your oil is stronger than you realize. Save your money, save the time, and stop living by the rules of 1975.